It's now possible to quickly and easily remove the potential image transfer problems that can occur with heavyweight or specialty media with the Simple Image Quality Adjustment, or SIQA, image transfer tool on the Xerox Versant 180 press. This built-in automated technology eliminates the need for the time-consuming, frustrating manual guesswork and downtime that is otherwise needed to correct model and other unacceptable transfer challenges. With SIQA and the Xerox Versant 180 press, heavyweight and specialty media will print as intended, delivering more pleasing quality and more business-driving results day after day. SIQA image transfer on the Xerox Versant 180 press eliminates operator subjectivity by scanning and reading the patches of varying transfer charges and automatically deciding which ones offer optimum quality. It does so with very few pages and in less than 5 minutes. Let's take a closer look at this simple yet powerful tool. Logging onto the printer as admin allows access to the custom paper settings features of the Versant 180. You can create up to 40 unique custom paper settings on the press. We'll define one to set up a new image transfer adjustment. We'll give it a meaningful name for later recall. Selecting the correct weight is critical, as transfer varies by weight. We'll now print the adjustment chart. Using a large paper, up to 11 by 17, or A3, is useful as it allows more patches to be printed. Once the sheets are printed, the back and front sides are scanned. The operator will choose Scan Calibration Chart from the user interface screen. The system then reads the scanned patches and automatically selects the patch that represents optimum image transfer quality. The adjustments can now be saved to the custom paper type. Since image transfer settings are media-specific, the saved custom paper settings may be selected whenever that media is used again. The settings become another paper type, like coated or embossed, and are then linked to the paper tray. That's it! In less than 5 minutes, operators can compensate for image transfer problems on heavyweight or specialty media. Visit Xerox.com to learn how Xerox Versant presses can help you do more for your business.